Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video. And y'all, I know it's been a minute since I've been recording. I'm a little bit rusty, but I hope y'all bear with me. So today I'm doing another eye look because you know I'm tiptoeing through my eyeshadows because I want to have a look on my channel with every eyeshadow I have. Because sometimes that's the only time it's gonna get used, to be honest. I got a problem. But anyway, the look is gonna be from a black owned makeup brand because today is Juneteenth. So hoping you're enjoying your Juneteenth, hoping you're getting the word out. I said to my husband, I said nobody can act like they don't know anymore because it's on news, it's everywhere. Juneteenth is the day our people, were freed. We don't celebrate what some of us do. A lot of us do not celebrate July 4th for that very reason, because we were not free on July 4th. Nothing against the people who celebrate it, but facts are facts. So Juneteenth, that is our Emancipation Freedom Day. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope you're going out and purchasing from black owned brands, giving them some love today. All right, so y'all, on to the video. So y'all, the black owned brand I'll be using today is Coloured Raine. I will put the link to her website down below. But I will be using the Coloured Raine Power Palette today. This is the palette. And here are, get a good look with this light so bright. Here are the colors. So the first color I'll be going in with is Deception. Minimal dust up, if any. Okay, the next color using the same brush I'm going to go into is the Snitch. Put that in the crease, but not going all the way over. The brush is too big. Don't forget, I'm not a makeup artist. I barely can do makeup. This is not a tutorial. Okay, now I'm going to darken out the outer V with Testify. I have to go get my Minted eyeshadow, another black owned business brand, because this one did not have any browns in it, and I need a brown to buff up that first color. Okay, so I buffed up that first color with my Minted. This one does have some dust up, but they're still pretty. It's a pretty everyday palette. So now I'm going back to my Coloured Raine palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful color, the Truth. It's Truth. Truth on my eyelid. All right, y'all, these are the eyes. And I'll be back with the finished look. All right, everybody, this is my final look. I finished it off with my Fenty Undefeated, that purple lipstick she has. I finished it off with that, and it came together. But y'all, don't look at this eye, because This is my good eye, right? But my eyelashes are jacked up. But anyway, I was not gonna start over, and I had already put this one on, and I wasn't gonna take that one off because it was already glued on there. It is what it TI is. So this is my final look. I'm happy to promote Coloured Raine and to add them to my videos that I have on my channel of all my eyeshadows. So yeah, hope you like this look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Juneteenth and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope you are celebrated this weekend, even though, you know, you can't really go anywhere, but I hope your family celebrates you because you deserve it. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in the video.